Hi, Rattler fans. My name is Darlene. Some people call me Dolly Upshaw. I am Sailor Upshaw's mom from the seventh grade A team, and I am sending everyone a letter that I wrote. It's just a one pager, but it's some instructions. There we go. And some ideas for our last game against Goodnight. One of the things myself and Lakita, which is Asia's mom, talked about was getting together and making gift bags and spirit sticks and things like that for our last game. So what I decided to do in this very long, like I have nothing better to do in life memo, I wrote out some of the things to do for the spirit stick, and then I thought, well, I have a YouTube channel. Why don't I just share with parents what they can do to make their own spirit stick? However, if you don't have the time to do it, because it could take it's several hours by the time everything dries and you put everything together, myself and Lakita are offering to do it for you. We ask that for $20, and that's to cover the materials for the spirit stick. Normally, when I make spirit sticks for the football teams and stuff like that, depending on how much I use and the time that it takes, they run anywhere from $60 to $100. They can get very extravagant and expensive really quick. But I want to show the parents, again, that's $20 if you want us to do it. And I'm going to put this link in the email so you can just watch the video. Or you can do it yourself. That's perfectly fine. Or not at all, and that's perfectly fine. But I wanted to give everybody a chance to see what the materials and what it costs to me to do it and Lakita to do it, so you kind of get an idea where the $20 comes from. So the first thing, the first material item you'll need is a stick. And I'm a little close to my computer because I moved it so I could talk to you guys. This is so you can hold the stick up. If you can see, it's not very thick. I got this at Lowe's. And this is, well, I have to fix my mirror image on here, but I will tell you the size. It is 3/8 by 2 by 36 inches. It is where you don't have to go in the back and pull it and then get it cut to size. It is down the same aisle as you're heading towards the back where the wood is, but it's on the left side on the bottom. And the craft wood is already cut. And this piece of wood that I purchased was $1.85. Now they have some bigger ones in the back that are shaped differently. They run anywhere from $5 to $8 to $10, and you can get them cut to size. But you got to remember you're going to be in the stands. So if you can see, it's not really that long. I can hold it, you know. I apologize that I need to move my... You can almost get it in the frame. So not too long. So again, this was purchased at Lowe's, and I paid $1.85 for this. I got that this morning. You're also going to need duct tape. So I have black duct tape. I also have white duct tape. I ran out of black, but I went ahead and bought black. And this duct tape, I have to look at my mic, I believe was $4.99 or $5.99. Believe it or not, duct tape isn't cheap anymore because so many people use it to do so many different crafts. So you'll need duct tape. You don't have to do black. You can do white. You can do gray. The duct tape is wrapped around your board. So you don't have solid wood, and I really don't have time to spray paint and let it dry and spray paint, make sure it looks really pretty. We have 3 weeks before our last game. So duct taping it gives you a better grip on your stick, and so you'll need duct tape. Again, if you want us to do it, we'll do it for $20, and I'm going to tell you when I'll give you the information and when you can get together with me on that. Also, you're going to need, I left the hot glue over there, but you'll need a glue stick, and you'll need you'll need a glue gun and hot glue sticks. And so I already have one, so you don't have to worry about that. But glue, you know, you can get it 99 cents depending on what size glue gun you have. Mine's a little bit bigger because I like I can control the temperature on my glue gun. You'll be hot gluing a lot of things on your board. So, but I will be using my glue. So that's part of the materials that I will also need to replace. Then you'll need a topper. And so I bought this today at Hobby Lobby. I bought a star. They don't have a basketball, and on Saturday I went to Hobby Lobby in New Braunfels, and they didn't have a basketball. And then I went to Michael's yesterday, and all they had one snowflake, and it was broken. They didn't even have any of these. So they're called wood pile. There is 4 stars in here. I paid $2.99 for them, so this will give me some material, but again, the $20 helps make up for some of the other stuff that I have to use. So you'll need this, or this is what I'm going to use if you want me to make yours. I'm going to use these right here because I have them already, and I know where to get them at, and it's easier to go grab them. So in theory, you'll duct tape your board, and then this will go on top of your board. And if you're interested in looking to see what a spirit stick looks like, you can go to Pinterest, and Pinterest will show you some ideas on the spirit sticks. And so you would hot glue this, nail it. Sometimes you can use really small nails to nail it in to make sure it stays in place. So on top of your star, and this is the one thing I'm going to have the parents do for me, is I'm going to need a photograph of your daughter in uniform. I was going to take pictures, excuse me, game day this weekend, and I can still do that. But I'm going to need to upload a 8x10 photo or 5x7, and that goes right here on top of your star. I bought this today. It's really pretty. It's purple. It is from the Paper Studio, and it is a solid glitter purple sheet of scrapbook paper. And what I plan to do is put this over the star. I need to quit moving so much. I'm going to put this over the star. I'm going to cut it out and put it over the star. And then I'm going to put Sailor's picture on top of the glitter. So this is optional, but if it looks good, then I'll probably go with that too. And this is $1.99 a sheet. So I'm already up to 4, 5, 6, 7, about $8, and I haven't even got to the other embellishments. So I got this picture of Sailor. She's number 25. It's probably backwards on there. So I got an 8x10 just so I have room for the star. Now I got this at Walgreens. I have, and this may be even too big. It looks like it may be a little big. I'm going to cut it out and see. But I also got a 5x7. So the 8x10 was $4.12. Oh man, not now. Ask me about rewards. So it was $3.99 for the 8x10, and then I did get some 5x7s. Either way, the picture goes on the star goes on the board, the duct tape goes around the board. And so that is like the base, and then the scrapbook paper for the purple. So that will be the gist of your spirit stick. And so everything else then becomes hanging from the spirit stick, and then also decorations for your spirit stick. So some of the things that I'm going to use is I've got these gemstones. They are basketball gemstones, as you can see. You can also see the price. They're $1.99. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 in here. So we have 11 girls on the 18. So you can see how this can go very quickly. So I have this as an embellishment. I also have, and I'll probably have to make more because it takes a lot to make these. You'll need some black ribbon. And the black ribbon, this size, is $1.99. Black ribbon. I've also got some satin black ribbon that I'm going to use. I've got a little bit thicker black ribbon that I'm going to use. And this is my dog, my Dashin, got into this. And so I need to put this on my reel back outside and not leave it on the table at night to show everybody. I also have the purple ribbon. This is in the sewing, $3.99. And then for Sailor's Board, I got these at Michael's because the white letters are missing. So I had got letters that's going to spell out her name, and that will go on the board, and I'll show you the board when I get done. And so her name will go down the board, and you can make it really cute. These are 99 cents a piece, so the letters add up. And the sooner I know if parents want me to do their board, the better, and that way I can go and buy the letters, because if you have a unique name or you have a very common name, then those letters get taken up very fast. I also picked up these really cool gems. They're jewels that I'll be able to hot glue on the board just to add for embellishment. They were $9, and so as you can see, it adds up to do little fancy stuff. Also, I will be using the silver and the white ribbon, and I have this, but it's not a lot, and it's going to go really quick. I did pick up some more today at the Dollar Tree. This was $1, but the ones that I picked up at Michael's purple for some reason, and I got a glare on there. Let me see. Purple. This runs $4.99, so it adds up really quick. I also found this basketball. It was the only basketball, though, that was at the Dollar Tree. So I don't know how I'm going to use it on the Spirit Stick or if I'll be able to. But again, everybody's Spirit Stick is going to be just a little bit different just based on the material that I can find. I may be able to go to the Kyle Dollar Tree, or if you do it yourself, you may be able to go to the Kyle Dollar Tree. And, you know, of course, we want to put it on the board some way like this so the other stuff doesn't show, and maybe put the girl's number on it. So I'm going to try to find that. If not, I'll find another embellishment. You'll also, I'd like to get the girls, if you're interested, these are the numbers to put on their board. So these were $1.99 a piece. And I bought all of these today. These were at the dollar store. It's really hard to see. They are purple and white. They're really pretty. Those will fit somewhere really cool on their board. And you can be creative. It's all about being creative and how you want it to look. And so this was a really cool find since Mardi Gras is coming up. It is purple. I know on the screen it doesn't look purple. But I got this at the dollar store, and it's 99 cents. I only bought 2 because I don't know how many parents are going to be interested in me doing it, and I don't want to be stuck with a bunch of purple boas. However, they do have them thicker and longer and more feathery at Hobby Lobby, and they run $8.99. I would prefer to use this because if you make a mistake or mess up, let me postpone that. It wasn't a high-end cost. What else do I have? I also found these white stars and silver stars, and I do have enough of these to use on the girls. But again, I've already paid for them, so that will go into the cost. And then, of course, my time to put it all together, and Lakita's time to put it all together. This was a really cool find today. This was part of New Year's Eve decorations that I found at Hobby Lobby for 20 cents. And I know they're red, silver, and purple. But no alarm, when you do as much crafting as I do, we know that a pair of scissors will get rid of the red. And it's going to be a great little backdrop for the Spirit Sticks. And I believe that is it. So as you can see, there's a lot that goes into making the Spirit Stick, and I will come back and show you what Sailor's looks like so you have an idea. Again, I'll see everybody on Thursday, and you can talk to me, and I'm going to send out the email. You can watch the video, and you can tell me whether or not you want myself and Lakita to actually make the Spirit Sticks for you for $20, or if you'd like to just do it yourself. Okay, guys, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.